Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Starlink disconnected. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, that also problem for the app. Turn off your Wi-Fi for few seconds, then on again, or you also switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for few seconds, then off again. The second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. So go to your Google Play Store and search for the app. And the other step is app update. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Open Google Play Store or App Store, then search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. So another step is check your server status. Sometimes the problem is not from your side, maybe server you're down. Wait for few seconds, wait for few time and try it again. And the another step is go to your phone setting, then select apps or app management, then go to your app list or apps, then search for the app, then go to storage and cache, click clear cache. This removes temporary file causing problems. So if none of these works, restart your phone, reinstall the app and install it again from Google Play Store or App Store. This gives fresh start to the app. If none of this works, then you also might go to your customer service or help center. They may help you to fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.